Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having oh, I forgot to do a thumbnail. Hold on. No, that's how I really do it. Hi you guys, what's up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. As you guys have seen in the title, we're going to be reviewing another product from MAXX, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick set or liquid lipstick vault. I know. I was so happy when I saw this. Now I actually had this for a while now, probably like before Thanksgiving or something like that. And it is $49.99. The price of this one is actually $70, and the total value of this product is $200. Talk about an amazing deal. Now, I was supposed to buy the lip gloss too around the time I purchased this, but I went ahead and waited because lip glosses are not really my thing. I mean, sometimes it is because I have crusty ass lips, but then again, like, you know, I want to get this one first. I already have the lip gloss. I bought it like just a week ago. And to my surprise, is actually $39. So maybe this one in other branches of MAXX is $39. But other than that, no regrets. Depending on where you live in, this will be available because the MAXX or Marshalls that I have or whatever is not really that good, so I really have to travel for like an hour or sometimes like an hour and a half or 2 hours just to be where the good stuff is at. You have 6 months to play with this, it says here, so that's kind of sad. I don't really care because in the first place I don't follow it, so one of the advices that I can give to you guys, because I'm a makeup, you know what, you don't care about that shit, hold on. So this is what the I'm just gonna say it when it's over. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. I love glitter, I love diamonds, I love pearls, I love pink. I mean, this is not pink, but like close to that in my opinion, like purple. I know, but it's so beautiful. The packaging alone feels like a PR package. By buying this, I feel like I'm on a PR list. So I'm just gonna think it that way. Manifest. So when you open it up, ta-da! It is so beautiful. These are all the shades that you're gonna get. So I was like really, okay. It says here matte liquid lip color, right? I'm actually surprised that there are like metallics in here. I thought it's just going to be like a plain solid color. It's the reason why I kind of want to buy this, but I was so blinded on the fact that the overall value is like $200. That's the reason why I bought this. So in this vault, you will be getting 10 shades. There's a lot of metallic ones, more than the solid colors. Just by looking at it right now, I can tell you guys that the only solid color is more like this pink and red. I think, oh my gosh, I'm not trying to sound rude or anything like that, but I feel like the color options on this one is, nobody likes this. Like, nobody likes these colors, oh my gosh. It could have been like, maybe they have like a new vault in Anastasia, like, you know, the nudes, like the right amount of nudes and the right amount of like, you know, reds and pinks and all of that. But I feel like this batch, I think this is like the first batch or whatever. Girl, nobody likes these shades. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if I'm going to be happy with this purchase or not, because again, like the colors are not for everybody. Now, I would say that the color options is not for everybody, and I don't even know if you're going to consider this wearable, just so because they're very, very bold. Not unless like it's a little subtle. I think 1, 2, maybe 2 or 3, or I don't know, but maybe it's just my personality. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So again, I'm gonna give you guys like a closer look. So as you guys can see, they're more of like metallic. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my lips. I'm ready to suffer today. Now, the first shade is called Bellini. It's more of like a rose gold. it doesn't smell bad. It's like, you know, it doesn't smell like so chemically at all whatsoever. And then the applicator looks like this. So it has kind of like dense, like shallow ends on both sides. It's a good way for the product to get in there, so you don't have to double dip. I'm not gonna lie, this color is not for me at all. Like, I mean, let me zoom. I think I'm just mad that it doesn't suit me, but I think it's such a fun peachy tangerine color. I think it would look great for people who has, you know, a nice fresh tan. That's what I would think of it.
Across the sea, somewhere far away, and just be free. A place times don't go, we can call it our paradise. Just you and I, now wouldn't that be nice? Oh, it's our paradise, staying up all night. Just you and I, under the moonlight, our feet in the sand. Wake up and do it again. We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life, yeah. That look you gave me was staring in my eyes, and I'm never gonna let this.
Hi everyone, I am finally back. My poor lips, it's kind of hurting, but it's all right. So anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the performance of the liquid lipsticks. I've tried it in the past. That was like years ago. And when I say years ago, probably like 2 years ago. So, so these are actually long lasting, and when they disappear on your lips, they don't disappear gradually, they disappear in chunks. That's, in my case, I have dry lips, just for your reference, so it would be better if you know, apply like a little bit of lip balm in there, because what I notice about these liquid lipsticks is that they do set, and when they set, they kind of lock in place. So it took a while for me to do the swatches because I have to clean it thoroughly after with the micellar cleansing water. So some of them, they really do last on the lips like a really good amount of time. And the thing is that, you know, when they go out of your lips, it's not like gradually, it doesn't leave like a little tint. I think the ones that leaves a tint is like those reddish ones, but the brown ones, they don't really leave that much of a color. I love the color payoff. Some of them are sheer and some of them you have to build it, and the way for you to do that is for you to wait for the first layer to dry first and then apply the second one. They do dry pretty fast on your lips though. So some people might like that, some people may not like that, but it does give you a decent amount of time for you to, you know, remove the streaks on your lips. But I really love how it feels. It feels like the NYX Buttercream lip product, but this one has more color into it for sure. So there's like a little bit of inconsistency when it comes to the color, because again, like some of them are sheer, just like what I mentioned a while ago. But overall, thinking about it, this is actually $20 each. And of course, if you get it as a bundle, that's gonna boil down to $4.90. So it's perfect for those people who collect makeup. And if you love the color range of these lip products, I would say, why not, you know? This is actually a perfect Christmas gift, especially during the holidays. This is like all over, you know, again, depending where you're from, depending on the location, but recently all I ever see is like the lip gloss vault, which I will be reviewing pretty soon as well. So yeah, this is actually a very, you know, perfect gift for those, some of your loved ones that love makeup. And if you buy this, I'm definitely telling you right now, they're gonna like scream and joy. And if my profession is still in the makeup counter, I'll probably wear this like every day. I have no problem with that. But for like everyday, I don't mind too, but I do have like my comfort zone when it comes to the lips, because I feel like there are a lot of eye looks that you have to partner with your lip. If you notice, like if you have a certain eyeshadow color or like eye makeup look, and if the lip product doesn't match it, it's not gonna look right, even if, you know, the eyes are done very well. So sorry if I'm stuttering, it's just really cold. I don't even know why I'm wearing this slutty outfit right now. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's perfect for makeup lovers for sure. If you know someone who is like a makeup addict, pretty sure he will love this product. She will scream in joy. Telling you right now, as a makeup lover myself, even though like the shade range is not up my alley, like I would like really be happy with this one. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below. Have you had this kit already? And let me know what you think about it. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!